Oh, well, hello. Hi, everyone. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. Let me get the door closed. My hair is looking like a mess, but hopefully the house is not looking too shabby. So I wanted to give you guys a quick house tour before everything gets underway. I think I changed a couple more things, but I wanted to film this before it's too late. I don't have any time and everyone gets here already, but this is the entryway. I just have my little lit pumpkin right there. I have my super cute salt lamp that I forgot the name of the company that sent it to me, but I did a video on that. And then my Aphrodite, she's looking gorgeous with the plant. I have my little skeleton right there because we're getting ready for Halloween, so I'm very excited about that. So that's like, this is like the little entry when you first walk in. I have a little mirror right there and then a little bench if you want to like set something there or try to put on your shoes. And then over here, don't mind the vacuum, I still need to move that. But I moved this right here. These were in the dining room before. They're the wisteria branches. And just a little bit of touch of Halloween. I have the skull, I have the little rat, I have my little ghost. I actually need to turn on his light. But this is what I have right here. And these are like pretty much all of the decor is thrifted. The mirror, the little knickknacks and all that. The sideboard and everything, those are all old. I've had those forever. And this mirror is also thrifted along with the bench. I'm gonna tell you guys all the things that are thrifted because I think they're so awesome. The giant painting is thrifted, the skeleton decor, all the Halloween decor you guys are gonna see are thrifted. And all the books, and then the two little stones right there. So there's that. Then you make your way over here. This is one of my favorite things. It's a mirror that I thrifted along with a mirrored side table, and I stacked them together, and I feel like they look like they were made for each other. They are my favorite. Of course, my thrifted chair, the leather chair, and the books, even those pillows, the Louis Vuitton. That's actually a large pouch that went with a luggage piece, and I put a pillow in there, so now it's a pillow. And all of my dinnerware right here, everything in this is thrifted. All of the plates and platters and all that. Our book collection, this carpet. There's our little Mickey Mouse. I got him on sale at the Coach outlet. Then we have Hercules, Jane Eyre's right there. I put her inside the lantern. I think she looks fantastic. Of course, I have a couple little touches of Halloween here and there. My little bowl right there. I have a mask. She actually needs a name. I think she looks like a Nefertiti. I think that's a pretty cool name. But I put a little lion mask on her. I was gonna put it on one of the planters, but it was just too big, so it's just sitting on her head, kind of. Hercules and his plant. I just thrifted that pillow. It's actually an outdoor pillow. But I thought that I liked the way that it complemented the room, like a pop of red. So I just left it there. I just recently got that little pumpkin. He actually lights up. Should turn him on. Then when you go over here, we have the dining room. Now this one is the one I think I went most all out on. And it's just definitely a fall theme, kind of getting ready for Thanksgiving. And I just wanted to do this too for you guys if anyone wanted to get maybe some inspiration or my take on how I would decorate for Thanksgiving. This is definitely it. My theme was kind of like Friendsgiving because my mom's friends are all here right before Thanksgiving, and they don't really see each other all together too often, so this is gonna be like their special little day that they're all gonna get together and hang out. So pretty much everything that you see on this table, from the table itself, is thrifted. The table is one of my favorite things. We put a stone slab on top of it, and then all of the dinnerware. The only things that are not thrifted is the stand and then the leaf garland, but the berry garland, I actually thrifted those. Oh, and the glasses are not thrifted, but all the plates, the silverware, the gold silverware, the platters, all that leaf and pumpkin stuff, those are all thrifted. And that's one of my favorite things is to try to thrift things that you collect. So I collect these plates. These are the Emma plates from Pottery Barn. I collect these lettuce plates. I've gotten them all throughout different times. They're all like different brands. Well, actually I managed to get all of these plates the same brand, which is awesome. I'm only missing one more. So I have like one green plate over there. But I have 7 of them. And Chai, if you're watching, thank you so much. She actually came to the event that I hosted at the Goodwill and gave me 2 of these babies. So I have her to thank for 2 of these. Thank you so much. Now I just need 1 more. I'm on the lookout. But I'm so excited. And I love layering things even on the dining table. So layer the plates. I have the gold chargers with the dinner plate and then a little salad plate. And then on each plate I have, these are actually from Walmart. They came in a bag. I think they were $4.99 for 6 or 8. And then I actually have like little stands. This is actually a turtle that I thrifted like yesterday from the Goodwill, and so just to elevate him a little bit. And then over there, that's actually a thrifted pancake container that I thrifted that I got. I just put it upside down and put the platter on top of it just to give it some height and elevation. And I feel like it just gives the table a lot more visual interest. And I set up the table for food, so all the platters are decorative, but then once mom starts getting the food ready, all the food's gonna go on there, and each piece, like each dish has a place on the table. So then I'm just gonna move the pumpkins and then it'll be good to go. I'm so obsessed with this tureen. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I found one. I've always wanted one. And I found also 2 little matching tureen bowls, which I'm very excited about as well. And then back here, that is a large thrifted mirror that I got that I'm so happy about. It's been in so many different places around the house. It finally made its way to the dining room. I love the mirror in here. I wish I could hang it, but it's just kind of just standing there for the time being because I can't make any holes in the stone. But again, playing with the elevation and just different candlestick holders, glass and wood to hold up the plants, the pumpkins, and these are everything back here is thrifted as well, with the exception of the hurricanes and the candlesticks in the hurricanes. The candles are battery powered and those are actually thrifted, and then the flanking pumpkins are actually live pumpkins from Sam's Club. I think they were $5.99. So love those, but this is kind of how it looks back there. I just really wanted to make everything homey. I wanted to make everything feel warm and inviting, and I spent my like baby childhood years in New York, and I just remember the fall was my favorite time. Love jumping in the leaves, and this is exactly like, this was my inspiration for the table. I wanted it to look like fall in New York with all the leaves everywhere. And I know it's not everyone's taste. I've been getting a couple comments saying that everything's a little too much, but that's what I like. So, and that's what my family likes, and what it can't make everyone happy is my thing, but this is just how I like to decorate. Some people say you decorate, like when you're dressing, you look at what you're wearing and you take like 2 jewelry pieces or whatever off or whatever. I always add like maybe 10 more, but in terms of decorations. But that is how it's looking. I'll show you guys how it looks later once all the food is there. It'll probably look a lot less crazy because there'll be a lot less pumpkins and stuff, but that's how that space is looking. And then over here I made a little coffee station, and I am very proud to say that everything here is thrifted with the exception of the coffee maker. That has been in our family for probably like 15 years. And also the drinks and stuff. Like, I actually got those from the 99-cent store. They're really cool Alexander Wang designer Evian bottles. I don't know how they were at the 99-cent store, but $1 each. And then of course we have our Trader Joe's lemonades right there. So yummy. But here we have a pedestal that I thrifted, and I thrifted a marble top, like a round marble slab. It fits perfectly on top of there, so I'm very excited. I think that looks really fantastic. I have this vase with the flowers in it, and just gives some height. Threw a couple little pumpkins down there, and that's how it is down there. Then over here, oh goodness, don't mind my duster. This is actually the most amazing thing ever. If you guys ever find one of these, get it, because it's amazing, and they're just reusable. Just wash them, and they are so good. But over here, I didn't really change too much because I didn't have too much time, but I did just change out a couple pillows. Mom actually made these pillows, you guys. She is so amazing. She made these pillows. We picked the fabric out from the store and she sewed them herself. So amazing. So I definitely wanted to use those. And then I just added in a touch of green, and everything else is the same pretty much from what it was before. But this is how this room is. I put out a little tray of candy, turned on a candle. I moved my giant piece of driftwood or manzanita, I don't know exactly what that is, over there. And I got some flowers over there and my plants. And again, like all the decor that with all the faux flowers are thrifted. This is actually from the Potting Shed. If you guys live in Southern California and live near Orange County, in the city of Orange, there's a store called the Potting Shed. You guys have to go there. They sell the most amazing plants and like decor pieces. It's so cool. That's where I got that. People always ask me where it is. Go to Jack at the Potting Shed, tell him Hadrian sent you, and he will hook you up. So there's that. And so this is how the room looks. Let me go in a little bit. And I'm loving this carpet. I feel like it's definitely making the room feel a little bit more fall. The blue one that I had in here before was nice, but I feel like it was definitely a little bit more summery. I feel like this one is like bringing autumn to this space. So very excited. Again, I didn't really change too much, but you know, I only changed 4 pillows. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I feel like it totally changes the space up. So love that, and I love that Mom made the pillows. They always make me so happy every time I see them. And yeah, let me know how you guys think about the pillows. Should we make more? Mom's made a lot of pillows. Usually there's always like 1 or 2 pillows in the space that Mom's made. So yeah, so there's that. And you guys have seen the outside already. I think I'm gonna actually switch it up really quick if I have time. But let me just pop out here, show you guys all this really quick. I got the pool going. And for everyone that wants to know about the pool vacuum, it's awesome. So if you guys are looking for one, I think I showed you in yesterday's vlog this type of vacuum it is. It's awesome. It's actually not on right now because the pool isn't on. I just turned on that. The pool automatically turns on at 10, and that's when the suction will turn on as well. Then out here, I already have our air fryer right there. It is amazing. Mom's gonna be frying some stuff later, so I just had that out already, set it up, and have this little sitting area set up as well. And that's pretty much it for our quick little house tour. Okay, I decided to change up the back a little bit. So here it is. It's definitely more fall. So then when you're inside the house, and it's like kind of like, oh, it's fall here, it's also fall over there. Yay. Also, I just gave Mom a beautiful blowout. Look at her hair, looks so good. Shake that hair, Mom, yes. Alright guys, I am outside. Mom's friends have already started arriving. They are in there, but I'm here outside to barbecue first. I'm gonna start barbecuing. We have beef on a stick, and then we have chicken. So I'm gonna be barbecuing these 2 things. Probably gonna do the chicken first because it takes longer to cook, and the beef is actually pretty fast. So there's the beef on a stick. Here's the chicken in here. Yum, so excited. And this is already preheated, so I'm gonna start barbecuing right now. Alright guys, we are cooking. I don't know, we have so much food. But, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be just eating all day long. Oh, look at that. So good. Alright you guys, the chicken looks so good. I'm gonna bring this inside, then we're gonna do the beef barbecue. Alright guys, I got the barbecue on the barbie. Excuse my awful Australian accent, but yeah, I got this going on right now. Oh, so yummy. Cannot wait to eat this. It's my favorite. Oh my gosh, you guys, the beef on a stick is almost done. I have a couple more left over there. But yum. Hey guys, I am home now with Mom. Hi, Mom.
I am home now, too.
And I was showing her what I got from the Goodwill. So let me show you guys what I ended up purchasing. Oh, look at this. This cute little turtle. So I got this turtle. He is from Pottery Barn. Super excited about him. And he's gonna be our little like riser since I couldn't find like anything else